Cellular respiration occurs in the mitochondria. Before it can take place, however, glucose must be broken down into compounds the mitochondria can use. This process occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell. Glycolysis, shown in Figure 9, is an anaerobic process that uses a series of enzyme-catalyzed reactions to break glucose into 2,3 carbon molecules called pyruvate. Mitochondria use the pyruvate molecules to fuel cellular respiration.
A 3-carbon pyruvate molecule is split into a 2-carbon molecule and a carbon dioxide molecule, which is given off as high waste. High-energy electrons are transferred to NAD+, forming a molecule of NADH. The NADH moves for the second stage of cellular respiration in the electron transport chain. A molecule called coenzyme bonds to 2-carbon molecule, forming an intermediate molecule. The 2-carbon part of the intermediate molecule is added to the 4-carbon molecule to form the 6-carbon molecule called citric acid. The citric acid molecule is broken down into enzymes and the 5-carbon molecule is formed. A molecule of NADH is made, which moves to the Krebs cycle. A molecule of carbon dioxide is given off as waste product. The 5-carbon molecules is broken down by an enzyme, a 4-carbon molecule. A molecule of NADH and 1 ATP are formed. Carbon dioxide is given off as a waste product. Enzymes rearrange the 4 molecule, releasing high-energy electrons. Molecules of NADH and FADH, another electron carrier, are made. They leave the Krebs cycle and 4 carbon molecules remain.
Ta-da! Proteins inside the inner membrane of the mitochondria take high-energy electrons from NADH and FADH. High-energy electrons travel from protein to protein in the electron transport chain. The proteins use energy from the electrons to bump hydrogen ions across the inner membrane to produce a gradient. Just as in photosynthesis, the hydrogen ions build up in the inner membrane space. ATP is produced like in photosynthesis. The flow of hydrogen ions used to make ATP. Hydrogen ions diffuse through the protein channel in the inner membrane of the mitochondrion. The channel is a part of ATP synthase enzyme. ATP synthase adds phosphate groups to ADP and ATP molecules. Oxygen picks up the electrons and hydrogen ions to form water. The water molecules are given off as a waste product.